we're gonna be heading to Canary Wharf to see the winter lights. Apparently today's the last day and it is open I think till 10 o'clock, so we are heading there now. Go for it. Put the entire thing. Is it good? Yay! So I'm back from uni and today I only had like a 2-hour lecture. I went grocery shopping after that. I wanted to take a few clips of that and put that in the vlog, but I completely forgot. But I got my groceries and now I'm making some mushroom curry, and after that I'm planning on going to the library, or else I might just complete a little bit of my project at home. That is the plan for today. My flatmate just made me some amazing brownies and she wrote this little note called as "For my favorite chef to get you through the week." This is so cute. Thank you, Maggie. Hi guys, so today is Saturday and I'm gonna be heading to my first ever live football match. I've never seen a football match live. I've been to a couple of cricket matches before, but I'm going with my classmates and we're gonna be going to Charlton versus Derby, and it's gonna be really amazing. Though I don't support any of the teams that are playing today, but it's just gonna be really fun going with my classmates and watching a match together. So that is gonna be the plan for Saturday.
Please welcome two teams. Your two teams, starting with our contest derby catch, Kind Ramsey. Let's all do that. Let's welcome back the two teams, Derby County and Gabriel, Johnson Athlete.
So I feel like I forgot to update you guys about how the match went. So it was a really nice match. It was my first time watching a football game live, and we actually met with Alfie May, who plays in the Charlton FC. So it was really nice. We also had lounge tickets because one of our classmates, she worked there, and then also her sister works there, so we got like lounge tickets and everything. But even if we hadn't gotten the tickets are actually at a really low price for like University of Greenwich students, because our university has a tie-up with Charlton Athletic Football Club, which is really cool. And yeah, I also got the ticket up on my board because it's my first match, and it was a really cool one, although Charlton lost. But yeah, overall such a good experience.